continue the important concept of national income. We already studied about GDP, NDP and GNP. Today we start with NNP, Net National Product at Market Price. It refers to the value of the net output of economy during the year. NNP is obtained by the deducting the value of depreciation or replacement allowance of the capital asset from GNP. NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. This one is a NNP market price. The next one is a NNP at factor price. The total income payment made to factors of production. The money value of NNP at market price, we deduct minus the amount of indirect taxes and add subsidies to arrive at the net national income at factor cost. NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. This is the formula of NNP at factor price, factor cost. All of you understand, children? NNP at market price is equal to GNP minus depreciation allowances. NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market price minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. The next one is the personal income. This is also very important, the basic concept of national income. The personal income is the total income received by the individual of a country before we pay the direct tax. What are the direct taxes? Income tax, road tax, water tax. These are the important examples of direct tax. So the personal income means total income received by the individual of a country before we pay the direct tax is the personal income. The formula of personal income is equal to national income minus social security contributions and undistributed corporate profit plus transfer payment. This one is called the personal income. The next one is a disposable income. It is the sum of the total of consumption and savings of individual after the payment of income tax. Personal income means before we pay the direct tax. Disposable income means after the payment of income tax. This disposable income gives two important equations. The first one is that disposable income is equal to personal income minus direct tax. The second one is disposable income is equal to consumption plus savings. This one is called the disposable income. The next one is per capita income. What do you mean by per capita? Average income of person of a country in a particular year is called per capita income. What is the formula of per capita income? Per capita income is equal to national income divided by number of population. This one is called the per capita income. The next best concepts of national income is real income. The real income is the buying power of nominal income. Real income is a more useful indicator well-being since it measures the amount of goods and services that can be purchased with the income. National income is equal to national income at a constant price is equal to national income at current price divided by P1 by PO. P1 is a price index during the current year. PO is equal to price index during the base year. So this one is called a real income. The next one is a GDP deflator. It means an index of price changes of goods and services included to GDP. The GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP divided by real GDP into 100. So these are the important, the basic concepts of national income. Hope you understand, children. Okay, that's all for today.